हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम पढ़ेंगे होलसेल प्राइस इंडेक्स। इसको कहते हैं हम WPI, होलसेल प्राइस इंडेक्स। व्हाट इज दिस होलसेल प्राइस इंडेक्स? लाइक consumer price index. This wholesale price index shows the change in prices in the wholesale market. So retail price index or cost of living index shows the effect of change in prices on the standard of living, on cost of living of the people. Wholesale price also shows the effect of change in prices on the life of the people, on standard of living of the people. This is another measure to show the relative change in the prices of commodities, but trading in the wholesale market. The wholesale price index, we can write down it simply: the wholesale price index measures relative change in the prices of commodities, traded in the wholesale market. So there are two types of market. One is wholesale market and another is this retail market. In the wholesale market, the manufacturers or producers, they sell to the retail dealers, and then the retail dealers sell to the final consumers. When retail dealers sell to the final consumers, that is retail market. The index for retail market is consumer price index, and the index which measures relative change in the prices of commodities in the wholesale market is called wholesale price index. In India, if we talk of India, in India, the wholesale price index are constructed on weekly basis. In India, the wholesale price index is constructed on weekly basis from one week to another week. So in the for this retail market, for this consumer price index, we measure relative change in prices from base year to current year, but we here take the 1 week as base year, the current week as the this current week. In India, the wholesale price index is constructed on weekly basis. The new wholesale price index series, with base year 1993-94 is effective from April 1st, 2000, shifting from the earlier base year. First, it was shifting from earlier base year of 1981-82. So in the last decade, we can say decade, we were taking base year as 1993-94. Before this 1993-94 base year, we had 81-82 as base year. But presently we are taking 99-2000 as base year. But currently or presently, So we don't, at this time, we neither have 1993-94 nor 81-82 as base year, but presently we are calculating, constructing wholesale price index on the basis of the prices 99-2000. Presently 1999-2000 is being used as the base year, So for wholesale price index, our current base year is 1999-2000. We must remember it. आज हमें जो चल रहा है base year वो है 99-2000. In India, all the commodities have been classified in following three groups. For calculating this wholesale price index, we group the commodities in three groups. So classification of commodities in India, we classify all commodities in three groups. These are primary articles, number second, fuel, power, light and lubricant, manufacturing. So we can have three groups of commodities. Commodity group. So this is very important to know in which groups we classify the commodities. Name of commodities and weight. How much weight is given to which type of commodity? किस ग्रुप को कितनी weight दी जाती है? Number first is primary articles. These include 98 commodities, 98 goods, and the weight is 22.02 is our weight for these commodities, which includes, these are like rice, fruits, pulses, vegetables. We have rice, fruits, pulses, vegetables, etc. Then we have the next group of commodities: fuel power, light and lubricant. So here we have 91 commodities. These are 91 goods. These are like coal, petroleum products, electricity, LPG, etc. 14.23 is the weight. And the third type of commodities is manufacturing commodities, जो हम secondary sector से हासिल करते हैं. Manufacturing commodities. These are 318 items. इसमें क्या क्या आता है? टेक्सटाइल है, शुगर है, पेपर है, मशीनरी है, केमिकल है, फर्टिलाइजर्स है, लेदर है, etc. So weight is 63.75. So for constructing or calculating the wholesale price index in India, we have three groups of commodities, and according to their weight or quantity purchased in the market, we assign them the weight, we accord them the weight. For the primary articles are 98, which are generally sustainable items, which are used for the livelihood. The weight is 22.02. Next is fuel, power, light and lubricant. These are 91 items, and they include coal, petroleum, petroleum products, electricity, LPG. So all the items related with fuel power, light and lubricant. So weight is 14.23, and the manufacturing items, these are 318 items, and the weight is 63.75. This is total is 100. This is 100 total, and we have almost 500 items, something 500 items more or less. So this is all about how to construct the wholesale price index in India. Thank you very much. In the next lesson we will discuss the uses of wholesale price index.